Hello lovelies, welcome back for returning subscribers, and if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. I came across 10 Google tools for your small business, and guess what? As a good Samaritan that I am, I decided to share it with you. Yes, of course you know I care. So to reciprocate the love, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so the first one is Google Drive. I don't know if you've heard about Google Drive, but then it's great. It's amazing. Yeah, don't worry, don't be scared. It's not going to drive you crazy. So Google Drive provides a storage space of 15 gig. You know what that means? That's a lot, man. For people who don't have a lot of space in their device, their phone, as they like me, I utilize the this particular one, Google Drive. I utilize this a lot. I use it a lot to save information for future use, as large as it is. So we move to the second one, Google Form. I don't know if you've heard of Google Form too. Google Form is an amazing form provided by Google. For your customers, if you need information of your customers, if you want to do something, if you have a meeting, whatever you want to do, and then if you want to get information from your customers, utilize this. Use Google Form. You will love it. Everything about it, I'll show you on the screen here. So you have a Google Form. Also, we know of Google Meet. Yes, I use Google Meet too for meetings, interviews of every sort. So if you want to interact with your customers, you want to interact with your friends and loved ones, please use Google Meet. You will love it. For people who haven't used it before. We also have Google Keep. Google Keep saves as a notepad. I use it a lot to save information for future use. So even if you lose your device, if you lose your phone, you can as well go back to that, can log in again to your Google account and then get back your Google information, every information you saved on your Google Keep. So it's an amazing one. Also, Google Business Profile. For business owners. I have my business profile just in case you don't know. So if you go on Google, type J Bush, just J Bush. Watch me. My pictures are there. With my pictures, you will know that's my profile. So it's an amazing one to track customers' interaction. Yeah, I have some there. You can see the number of interactions. I have up to 106 interactions, so thereabouts. Yeah, that's fine. So it's cool. It's every information about you, where you work, your business store, your store, your phone number, contact, whatever you want to display on your business profile. Do that using Google Business Profile. Go ahead, we have Google Contacts. Google Contact is an amazing way to recover lost contact. I nearly lost all my contact last year when I lost my phone, but this helped my life. So I recovered everything that has to do with my contact information, everything, just with a click on a button to recover them, because I saved it with my, I think I used my Gmail, yeah. So I got that sorted. Also, we move to Google Calendar. Yeah, Google Calendar, you can schedule meetings, you can save them there. I do that a lot and I get notification. If I have a meeting tomorrow, I go there, I scan my calendar, I click it, and then tomorrow, before that time, I'll be notified that I have a meeting by 4. So Google Calendar is also an amazing one. We move to Google Ads for business owners. If you want to advertise your business, please use this one. It doesn't really cost much to run ads, please. With as little as 3,000 Naira, 4,000 Naira, 5,000, you can run an amazing ad. So you can do that and get traffic, get people see your business, your product, or whatever you do. Also, we have Google Photos. Yeah, I have that on my phone. An Android phone should have that. So that's where you save your photos and share. If you want to share to your loved ones, fine. And we move to the last one, YouTube. I love this particular one. This in particular is my. So this is a social media platform provided by Google to share videos, an amazing video just like what I have here.